Welcome to Learn, Study and Grow. I am happy. I am happy. She is my friend. She is my friend. They are students. They are students. This is a book. This is a book. He likes to play soccer. He likes to play soccer. We are learning English. We are learning English. It is sunny day. It is sunny day. My name is John. My name is John. I live in New York. I live in New York. She has a cat. She has a cat. The dog is big. The dog is big. I drink water every day. I drink water every day. We go to school by bus. We go to school by bus. He is reading a book. He is reading a book. The sky is blue. The sky is blue. I like pizza. I like pizza. She is wearing a red dress. She is wearing a red dress. This is my family. This is my family. I have two sisters. I have two sisters. The car is fast. The car is fast.